So BMW fans, as I was saying, first thing you need to do is change your spark plugs in coils. That's the first thing I'll start. In fact, before you even do that, just buy a decent scan tool, go into the live data, and see if all the modules are working properly. Yeah. So here I am. I'm just taking this for a test drive, and as I showed you, there's no smoke. You know, we put it on DST. One thing you'll notice too, you'll start getting better gas mileage. And here I am. I'm just going onto the freeway. Just to show you that this is not any gimmicks. So I'm just gonna get onto the freeway here, and we'll see if it's running good. Anyway, so here I am on the freeway. Oh, baby. Oh. I can't speed too much, guys. I already got a ticket the other day. So, anyway, there we go. You know, we fixed this. First thing, get a scan tool, go through the live data, go check the components of the computer. Next thing, guys, get spark plugs. Before you even get coils, get spark plugs. And don't get those cheap spark plugs from Amazon. They don't work. Get the spark plugs from the dealer, because some of the spark plugs are specific to your engine. So you can't just put those $20 spark plugs. I've tried it. I tried it on my convertible, and the thing was running like a like a Toyota Corolla, shaking all over the place. So once I put in the spark plugs according to my VIN, the car ran well. So with this car, what we're having, we put in new spark plugs. I had the software, but that thing kept dumping loads of fuel into my carrot, and so I just uninstalled it. And once I connected the car to the live scanner, I noticed that we're having problems with the sensors. So I replaced the O2 sensors. The O2 sensors actually fixed everything. Yeah, because one of them wasn't working well. So this is the result. I'm just gonna get back on the freeway here, just do one more spin here, and just get home. It's late. I need to eat. I've just been messing around with the car, and I'll just post this for you guys to know. So you get that erratic idle. People say PCV. People in the internet. Will give you all sorts of diagnosis. Just get a live scanner. As you can see, guys, this car is pulling. No more check engine lights. And that's it. That's another post. That's another fix. BMW fans. Next thing, guys, I'm going back to diesel. Gas prices are too high. I'm thinking of getting an X5D. So we'll see what problems that one comes with. So I'll be shopping for a new X5 35D. I'm gonna try avoid the all-wheel drive. I'll just get the rear-wheel drive and get back. I miss my diesel, man. I miss the power. I miss the raw power of diesel. So we'll see. We'll give you another post. I've been very busy with school. I'm in school, back in school. I tell my kids, you learn more, you earn more. So that's got me out of the streets for a little bit. So let's get back here, and that's it. That's another fix. Dealers will charge you thousands for this, guys. Just get your scan tools, decent parts. The only thing I'll buy from the dealer is the parts, but still, On BMW parts, like my dealership here in Irvine sucks. Sometimes they charge too much. So you go on Amazon and look for the BMW dealer. I think Monterey does sell parts on Amazon. BMW Monterey, Northern Cal, and they're decent price. So there's a cop there. So anyway, let me put my phone down here and take care, huh, guys? Another post.